What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix the can't receive calls issue in MagicOS 8. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, press and hold on this power button, and then from this menu tap on restart. So when you will tap on this restart option here, it will restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the calls issue will be fixed. But if you are still facing the issue, then open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here tap on sounds and vibration. Now tap on do not disturb, and then here you will see a do not disturb button. So if this button is enabled, then you will not be able to receive calls and notifications. So tap on this button to turn it off, and after turning off this button the calls receiving issue will be fixed. But after this, if you are still facing the issue, then open settings one more time, scroll down to the end and tap on system and updates, and then tap on reset. Now here tap on reset network settings option, and then again tap on this reset network settings option to confirm. So when you will tap on this option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your phone. And after that it will fix the calls receiving issue. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the issue, then take out the SIM card from your phone, clean it with a clean cloth, and after cleaning it, put it back in your phone again, and then you will start receiving phone calls. So that's how you can fix can't receive calls in MagicOS 8. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.